Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to collect emails using Manychat, a powerful platform that helps you automate conversations and grow your audience. First, head over to the Manychat website and sign into your account. If you don't already have one, you'll need to create an account before continuing. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard, which is your main control center for managing chatbot activities. From the left-hand menu, navigate to the Automation section. This is where you'll build the flow that collects email addresses. Next, click on New Automation. When prompted, choose Start from Scratch so you can fully customize your workflow. This gives you complete control over the conversation and allows you to tailor it to your brand and goals. On the blank canvas, begin by adding your first message. This could be a welcome message, introducing what you're offering. For example, you might offer a free resource, discount, or exclusive content in exchange for the user's email address. After adding your message, insert a user input block. This is the key step. Select Email as the response type, so Manychat knows to validate and store the email properly. Make sure you clearly explain why you're asking for their email. Let users know what they'll receive and how it benefits them. A strong value proposition increases the chances they'll willingly share their contact information. You can also add confirmation messages after they submit their email, thanking them and letting them know what to expect next. Once everything looks good, click Publish to activate your automation. And that's it. You've successfully set up an email collection flow in Manychat. With this in place, you can build stronger connections, grow your email list, and automate your marketing efforts more effectively. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.